Hello again. Right, basically, you all saw the meter that I opened up last week sometime, and in size comparison it is tiny compared to the exact same thing. It's got all the same functions. There isn't actually a different. The only one thing that this doesn't have that this one does is this one's got a continuity tester in it. So it just has a buzzer basically. Apart from that, it is they're pretty much identical on the outside. So with my trusty screwdriver, I shall take this out of its leather case. It looks like one of those old GPO leather cases. I don't know whether it is or not, but this one is made by TMK, sorry, and it is made in Japan. So I should get the trusty screwdriver out. This could have been so much easier. So much easier, look. If only I hadn't have trashed it. And the first thing you're going to notice is the battery mod, because it didn't take the batteries like we have nowadays. So I'll try and get it. In fact, what I should do is take it off the tripod again so you can have a decent look round and you'll get to see the quality difference of a good quality one and a poorly made Japanese one. I did just notice something. Dialogue, the people that I hate, because I've now had 2 multimeters that have been broken, calibrated this. It doesn't have a date on that one, but the last time it was calibrated, I turn it upside down, are you going to be able to see it, was on the 3rd of the 5th 94. So yeah, right, let's have a look. So there you go. Obviously got current shunt over there. The battery mod, if you can really call it a battery mod. Surprisingly enough, it does work. I'm presuming that's some kind of transformer to bring down the current or something. Not really too sure, if I'm being honest. Just talking crap. There is the little continuity buzzer, and all the way around there is all the resistors that obviously give it the different settings. And there's also a board that runs across there with a fuse in it. Now I can't see anything to do with dates, but someone can probably tell me there is a date code somewhere. There's a potentiometer there. It just says Cosmo Tokyo. There's 10k ohms. So yeah, you've now seen in both of my extremely old up to 5 kV multimeters. So I hope that was interesting. And the next one will be that one. I think I will open the dialer up and have a look inside there, because that is also pretty old. I'm not sure how old, if I'm being honest, but no doubt there will be something to say in that one. So yeah, that'll be the next video. So anyway, thanks for watching.